Good morning, St. Andrews students. In class 6, today we are going to start the chapter number 2 of the history on the trail of the earliest people. Now, before we start the session, there are few questions that comes up in my mind. Do the children during that period used to go to school as the children go today? Do the children used to play with things? Do they had transport like train and buses in the ancient age? So these are the questions that comes up in my mind. So let's see how the things were in the earliest time. Now we will be talking about the periodic age in this chapter. Periodic age means old age. The earliest people. We know about people who lived in the subcontinent as early 2 million years ago. Today we describe them as hunter-gatherers. Right, students? So in the earliest time, the people always use to hunting process and they always gathered. The hunters alert, quick and presence of mind. Animals used to run fast. The gatherers collect plants parts to know when fruits ripe. They moved. Resources will be exhausted at one place to another. Hunters moved with animals. Hunts are the seasonals, so gatherers moved from one place to another. Hunts are seasonal. Faster resources, some were perennials, others selects friends and relatives. They use two sources like water sources and stone sources. This is the stone sources and water sources. Look at the students, stone sources and water sources. They use water sources to survive and stone sources for making equipments, to cut the trees and for hunting. How we know about earliest people? They make tools. These are the example of earliest stone tools. These were made several thousand years later. To scarce work from trees and hides animals sink, to chop fruits and roots, wood to make hunts and tools. Making stone tools. Stone to stone. There are the three processes to make the tools. Stone to stone on stone. Stone on stone means one stone used as hamper on another. Pressure flatting. Core placed on the firm surface and hammer stone used to remove flakes. They make the tools by using two means. Now come to the discovery of fire. Finding about the fire. Right, students? The another discovery of that time was fire. To light, to cook, they use fire to light, to cook, to fear any animals. How they discover fire? The fire was discovered by people at rubbing two stones together. And when they rubbed the two stones, there was a kind of spark that was seen, and finally they discovered the invention of fire. I hope students you understand the use of stone of the earliest people and discovery of the fire. We will more study about this chapter in the next session. If you have any queries, any questions, then write down in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.